Hi everybody, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. Tonight we're going to be cooking roast beef with red wine jus. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For 2 servings we will be using a 400g beef top rump joint, some olive oil, 450g of potatoes, 3 carrots, 3 parsnips, some green beans, some rosemary, some Parmesan style cheese. For the red wine jus, we'll be using a glass of red wine, an onion, a clove of garlic, some beef stock, and some cranberry sauce. Okay, the first step is to put the joint of beef into the air fryer. So I'm going to roast that at 190 for 40 minutes. Next stage is to peel the potatoes. Next we'll cut them into small chunks. Bowl. I'm using olive oil here. So we will put the potatoes to cook next to beef in the air fryer. I'm going to change this to cook in the grand zone for 33 minutes on roast at 190. Okay, we're going to get the carrots ready now. So first step is to peel them. I think these 2 carrots are going to be enough, so next we'll just chop them up. Put them in a pan to one side for now. I'm also going to be roasting some parsnips, so we'll get these peeled and chopped. Pop these in with the rest of the food. be having these green beans with it, so it's time to top and tail these, get them ready for boiling in a bit. I'll put them in the same pan as the carrots. Next we'll get the rosemary off the stalk. And we'll finally chop this up. Now we'll add the rosemary onto the beef. To make the red wine jus, we will finely slice 1 clove of garlic and 1 onion. Next, I'll put the frying pan on with some olive oil. Add the onion and garlic in there. I'm going to add 100 ml of red wine into that. this until all of that red wine is evaporated off the pan. I just want to check the beef and make sure it's not getting overcooked in here. It looks good. I'm going to bring it out and just check it on the chopping board for a moment. Let's have a little look at this beef and just make sure that we're not overcooking it. Yeah, it's fine to go in for a bit longer. You can see it's still bleeding a little bit there. So the beef still needs a bit longer. It's bleeding a little bit. I like it a bit more cooked than that. Some people might like it like that. Some people might like it more rare, but we like it sort of well done. There we go. The jus coming along nice. Simmering nicely there. Now then folks, I've forgotten to add the cheese onto the potatoes. So I've got some Parmesan style cheese which I'm going to add onto these. So I thought it would be good to just transfer them onto a little tray for this. And just pop that back on. Meanwhile, that red wine is reduced down lovely. So it's time to add the stock now. I'm just going to make a stock cube up with about 150 ml of water. That's just boiled. Add that in with it. And a teaspoon of cranberry sauce. I'm going to put the veg on for the rest of the meal as well. So we've got some green beans and some carrots there. They need to be cooked up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain this into a smaller pan. Do that quickly. There we go. So I just strained that. So we've just got a nice smooth sauce in there now. We're going to thicken it up a little bit with some butter. I forgot to put the butter in the ingredients in the beginning, but yeah, you want about 20-30 grams of butter in there. And we'll just heat that up on a gentle heat so it melts in. I'm just going to turn that down for now. Right, there's 10 minutes to go on the air fryer. Let's have a look. Ooh, yeah, those potatoes are definitely done. I'm going to bring them out now. As our parsnips, and I think the beef probably is as well. Well, that's the beef cut up. It's cooked really nicely. The middle part had a little bit of pink in it, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the overall colour of it. Looks good. There we go. And some veg to go along with that. So we've got some green beans and some carrots. Looks nice. Here's the red wine jus that I made. Looking forward to trying this with the beef. I think it's going to complement it really well. I'm just going to pour this onto the beef. There we go, roast beef with red wine jus and cheesy potatoes. Bon appetit. That roast beef dinner with red wine juice was absolutely delicious. The beef tasted great, it had a nice flavour to it, the texture was good, it was cooked to perfection. The red wine juice tasted beautiful, it had a nice tang to it, which complemented the beef and the rosemary really well. I really enjoyed the veg as well. The roast potatoes with the melted parmesan on top were nice and crunchy and had a good flavour to them. All cooked in under 40 minutes in the air fryer, which is absolutely brilliant. So thank you everybody for watching and for liking the videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking.